This 2027 Aliner Expedition is an expandable trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aliner is 18 feet 0 inches in length and features air conditioning, water heater, auxiliary battery, external shower, LP detector, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this expandable trailer RV features front dinette, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Aliner Expedition is 2,254 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.